The rims are cleaned. This is the front wheel. This is the back wheel. As you can see, rims are nicely cleaned. Before rubbing and polishing, it's time to use clay to remove all the decontaminants from the bike. As you can see, the condition of this bike is very rough. It is only 1360 kilometer run, and you can look, the condition is as new as a brand new bike. Always use clay with shampoo. Apply shampoo first, then use clay to remove all the decontaminants from the vehicle. Using this much clay only, I have decontaminated all the bike. As you can see, the whole part is now cleaned with the clay. You can see the use of clay, which is in circular as well as zigzag motions in all the bike. Now use fresh microfiber cloth to clean all the bike which you have decontaminated with the clay. This is the main area which is affected deeply because of the riding style. As you can see, the paint is more than faded. Use isopropylene alcohol to clean the bike and then wipe it fast as soon with the microfiber cloth to make it more decontaminated. I have made the solution the 60 ml isopropylene alcohol, and rest of that is water, filtered water, drinking water. Using this rubbing compound and apply it on a foam pad and rub it all over this swirly area, and then start the machine to make it shine. Make sure you use circular motions to apply the rubbing compound all over the area. Again, this is the condition after a single rubbing coat. See the look after rubbing and polishing. Now we will apply the Mr. Fix ceramic coating. We have the 9S Mr. Fix auto ceramic coatings, which we have a 30 milliliter bottle, which will apply on full body. With that, we have an applicator pad. We'll use these tissues outside for better viewing. We have opened the bottle. Now we'll apply a few drops. We'll use it. As you can see the difference This is ceramic coated and this is not. We'll redo the process until the whole bike is completed. You can see the gloss. After applying the ceramic coating on the tank, we leave it for 10 to 15 minutes to let it dry, and then we will wipe it with a damp cloth. The whole bike is ceramic coated. As you can see, the shine is all. We will wait for 10 to 15 minutes to let that sit and sink it with the paint, and after that we will clean it with a damp cloth to make it more shine and more sturdy. As you can see, the ceramic is start to be drying और हम अपनी इसमें शक्ल देख पा रहे हैं. Wow man.